Sometimes life is draining, no complaining, let's go. It's draining, I'm not complaining. I'm still retaining all that's remaining. That's why it's raining, I'm just relaying. I'm still not staying, I'm just saying. I'm not playing because when start weighing what you said, it's straining. All these lies and manipulations staying in my head keep replaying. My mind is fraying and my brain cells decaying from all this thinking, waiting. How many starless nights go by before I see one light? Every fight is thrusting us farther into the dark side. No light. Temptations overtaking my vibrations. Mind racing, I'm yours for the taking. No hesitations. I'm under the radar, no rating, no regulating me. I'm fading. I'm shading you from the hating. I'm just waiting for the right time, retaining. It's draining, I'm not complaining. I'm still retaining all that's remaining. That's why it's raining, I'm just relaying. I'm still not staying, I'm just saying. On a daily basis, challenges appear. Stand up tall and face them. Cowards run in fear, always watch your rear. Use your third eye, keep a quantum state of mind to protect your blind side. Life is unkind, the world is so cruel. Must protect your peace or these cheats will drain you. Wouldn't blame you if you cut the world loose. You wouldn't miss a thing, cause the world never loved you. Look inside your soul, find the peace within. You will be strong enough to stand it when the